Hey guys, so not sure if you can see this far over in the car, but you may notice that I don't have my Ktuner in the car, and I just wanted to make a quick video as to if anyone has ever gotten to the bottom of why this happens. But I randomly started having an issue where the LED lights would flash on the car, or flash on the Ktuner I should say, and they would just be totally random. They wouldn't mean anything. They weren't any of the signals that Ktuner says, like the computer disconnected or anything like that. It just started spazzing out. It was totally intermittent, and I couldn't figure out why. And when you reach out to Ktuner, they don't really tell you anything. All they say is, okay, send it in. And you go, okay, can you tell me what happened? And they go, it's just an issue. It happens to some products. Well, why does it happen? Like, they don't say anything, and I find that a little weird. I'm not trying to bash them. I still love the Ktuner, and I can't wait to get mine back. But I just find it a little weird that as a company that makes a consumer end product, and you have an issue with it that you paid decent money for, they won't tell you what's wrong with it when you have an issue. I mean, I guess it's not that big of a deal since they said they would fix it, but it's just kind of annoying me. Like, what inside the Ktuner actually causes it to fail? Or not even fail, just the LED lights to start flashing. Because Ktuner did tell me that it's not going to affect the tune, it's not going to affect the car, it's not going to affect anything. It just has some spasms with the LED lights. And I find that very weird, especially since when LED lights would flash, like the fourth and fifth light would flash, the first three would still work for my tachometer, which I have it set for, but then the last two wouldn't stop. And then other times, if light 2 was spazzing out, 1, 3, 4, and 5 would all work for my tachometer, but for some reason 2 wouldn't. So it's not even like it gets overridden by what you have programmed into it. It literally just doesn't. Those lights kind of spasm out and don't work, and I find that a little weird. So if anyone else has had that issue and they know why, or they're freaking out that something's wrong with their Ktuner, I just wanted to make a video to let you guys know what's going on, and that I had this issue also. And Ktuner, as much as they didn't tell me what was wrong with the actual product, they did say they would take care of it, and I do really appreciate that. So let me know if this has happened to any of you guys.